There are numerous dangerous natural places around the world, each with its own unique set of hazards and risks. Here are 10 of the most dangerous natural places, known for their extreme conditions and potential for harm. Number 1. Mount Everest, Nepal, Tibet. The world's highest peak, Mount Everest, is notorious for its extreme cold, high altitudes, and unpredictable weather. Climbers face dangers such as avalanches, crevasses, and altitude sickness. Number 2. Death Valley, USA. Known as one of the hottest places on Earth, Death Valley experiences scorching temperatures that can exceed 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius. Dehydration and heatstroke are significant risks for visitors. Number 3. Sahara Desert, Africa. The Sahara is the largest hot desert on Earth, with vast sand dunes, extreme heat, and limited water sources. Navigating this desert can be perilous due to the lack of resources and the risk of getting lost. Number 4. Amazon Rainforest, South America. Despite its lush beauty, the Amazon is home to numerous dangerous creatures, including venomous snakes, large predators like jaguars and caimans, and potentially deadly insects. Number 5. Antarctica. The coldest and windiest continent on Earth, Antarctica poses extreme cold, isolation, and the risk of frostbite and hypothermia to those who venture there. Number 6. Yellowstone National Park, USA. Known for its geothermal wonders, Yellowstone is also home to potentially deadly geysers and hot springs. The ground is thin in some areas, making it dangerous to walk off established paths. Number 7. African Savannas. The African savannas are home to a wide variety of wildlife, including some of the world's most dangerous animals like lions, elephants, and hippos. Human-wildlife conflicts can result in dangerous situations. Number 8. Ring of Fire, Pacific Ocean. This region is prone to frequent earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis. Countries like Japan, Indonesia, and the Philippines are particularly vulnerable. Number 9. Everglades National Park, USA. This unique wetland ecosystem in Florida is home to alligators and invasive Burmese pythons. Venturing off designated paths can lead to encounters with these dangerous creatures. Number 10. The Bermuda Triangle. Located in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, this area has gained notoriety for unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. While many of the incidents have been debunked, it remains a place of mystery and intrigue. Remember that these natural places can be dangerous, but with proper preparation, caution, and respect for the environment, many of these risks can be mitigated. It's essential to follow safety guidelines and, in some cases, seek the guidance of experienced professionals when exploring these areas.